Yeah, you are welcome to Limbe. This is the town of friendship. Actually, we are here at the monument. Alfred Seka was a missionary to Africa. When he came to Limbe, he founded this town and he named it Victoria. So Alfred Seka was a Baptist missionary. If you are here in Limbe, you will know that this town was founded by Alfred Seka, who was a Baptist missionary, and he named it Victoria. But it was later on changed to Limbe. So behind me here you have the Atlantic Ocean. Wow. You can hear the nice breeze from the ocean. Wow. That's the Atlantic Ocean. We are downtown in Limbe and we're getting towards the Botanical Garden in Limbe. Wow, it's such an amazing place where you get to see the Botanical Garden. I guess was created by the Germans. Wow, that's the Botanical Garden. And behind me is an amazing stadium that has been constructed in Limbe for football tournament. This is an amazing city. Like you can see behind there is the Atlantic Ocean, and that is the Sonara. I'm sure that is where they extract petrol and fuel to process. That is Sonara right there.
Sendoti matumba mese mafara fina mana parese dotina bunya bumende po Afrika yese emapendo oyae de owema ese mayaka mangulu tuwe na ndenge umana ute ayo ha suma songusu iben masangu mese keba de bese baba na ndenge
This is Down Beach, Limbe, Bukaro, and where you can get nice roasted fish. And we're here to meet this amazing lady who is roasting fish here. You want to get some fish, you just sit by the seaside and relax. So, how much is one? Okay, fish. Wow. So you give us this one. This one. This one. So for how long have you been roasting fish here, man? 5 years.
Even though I go and I go
Wow.
for now, I'll be here for 1 week.
This shrimps. Shrimps. I'm down beach in Limbe at the Bukaro in Limbe, man. I've just had some nice fish. If anytime you're around here, you want to get the nice, beautiful breeze from nature, from the Atlantic Ocean, just come to Down Beach, Limbe in Cameroon. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is so delicious, man. Yeah, we also have prawns, shrimps, polished shrimps, you know. When the Portuguese came to Cameroon, they discovered shrimps in a river and they named it Rio dos Cameros, which means rivers of prawns. That's how Cameroon got its name.